Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Java programming fast full guide. Start by installing the Java Development Kit and a simple editor, then write one small program today. Break study into 30 to 60-minute focus sessions, mix reading with coding practice, and build tiny projects weekly. Use online docs, debug actively, and ask specific questions in forums to speed learning. Stay patient and consistent, and you'll notice steady improvement. Learning Java starts with mastering core concepts like variables, control flow, classes, and objects. Practice by writing small programs that demonstrate each concept, then combine them into larger examples. Focus on understanding object-oriented principles, such as encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism. Use short quizzes and flashcards to test recall and build mental models for patterns and APIs. Regularly review code you wrote, refactor for clarity, and read others' simple projects to learn styles. Quick recommendation: if you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like. It really helps support the channel. Check out the book I mentioned that can change how you think about money, titled The Simple Path to Wealth, which pairs oddly well with disciplined learning habits. Look in the description for the link and other deals to grab the book or related resources. Thanks for supporting creators. Now let's get back to the video. Hands-on practice beats passive reading. Code every day, even if only for 20 minutes. Set micro-projects like a calculator, to-do list, or file parser to apply concepts concretely. Use version control to track progress and write clear commit messages. Pair program with peers or mentors to get feedback and learn idiomatic usage. Measure progress by building increasingly complex projects and timing how long features take to implement daily.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.